You are listening to CMU Podcast. This program is brought to you by Corporate Communication, the Alumni Relations Center, and the Language Institute. Hello everyone, this is Kelly, and welcome back to another episode of CMU Podcast. And today the news is, CMU researcher and team name newly discovered Ylang-Ylang species Chalermprakiat. A study led by a CMU professor discovered a new Anissara species in Satun province called Oraphia Chalermprakiat Damt. The specific epithet, Chalermprakiat, was named in commemoration of His Majesty the King's 6th cycle birthday on July 28, 2024. The research project is titled Taxonomy and Phytogeny of Rare and Unknown Anissara Species for Conservation and Sustainable Application, and it was sponsored by the Office of the Permanent Secretary for Higher Education, Research and Innovation, Thailand Science Research and Innovation, or TSRI, and the National Science, Research and Innovation Fund, NSRF. The research team comprised of Associate Professor Dr. Tanawat Chaowasku, lead scientist from the Department of Biology at the CMU Faculty of Science, Dr. Anissara Damthongdee, a postdoctoral researcher, Assistant Professor Dr. Banchong Tongsang, Dr. Suwannee Promsiri from the Faculty of Science and Technology at Songkhla Rajabhat University, Dr. Chattida Wiya, a technical officer at the Botanical Garden Organization, Mr. Arun Sinbamrung, Senior Professional Forestry Technician at the Department of National Parks, Wildlife, and Plant Conservation, Mr. Thanee Jaisamut from Banhan Community Enterprises Tourist Section, and Mr. Kitisak Chanthamrong, an independent researcher. This major discovery was published on July 5, 2024, in the peer-reviewed scientific journal Phytotaxa, Volume 658, Issue 3, on pages 296 through 300. Associate Professor Dr. Tanawat Chaowasku of the Department of Biology at the CMU Faculty of Science explained that Chalermprakiat is a small-sized tree that can grow up to 8 meters in height and has cream-colored petals. The inner petals are initially joined together but then diverge towards the tips. The base of the petals is thin, forming a gap between them that provides a clear view of the stamens and pistils. This new species was discovered in a sinkhole of Tam Talu Cave in Khao Khao subdistrict of Langu District in Satun Province. The area is a part of the Satun Geopark, which is the first UNESCO-certified geopark in Thailand. Chalermprakiat is a rare plant with only 15 to 20 found, thus making conservation a critical mission for all involved parties. It has the potential to become a decorative plant thanks to its beautiful canopy and flower shape. In addition, research on its phytochemistry and biological activities is needed for further development as a medicinal plant. Thank you very much, and that's it for today. Please tune in again for the next episode of CMU Podcast on YouTube and Facebook, and don't forget to follow the hashtag CMU Podcast. Until next time, thank you and goodbye.